Okay, it's recording.
Oh. Oh my.
Okay.
Here we are. Wow, please. Everyone say hi.
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 We're gonna do some helium.
When I graduated, scoot over.
Today we're gonna do some helium.
Here. When I graduated, my dad bought me this balloon. It's been 2 weeks since graduation. Where is this?
We're gonna get so high.
So, whenever we have balloons, we've never actually used them like this before. That feels so weird.
Okay, we're gonna sing a song for you guys.
Happy birthday
Happy
to you.
John, what was your song you were singing earlier?
I think my voice is good. And I will always love you. And I will always love you. Yeah, when
Are you well, John? You will love me?
love
Are you well?
you. Oh shit, my voice is back.
Baby! I think it's working.
Hello? Hello?
We need more helium.
It tastes disgusting.
We need more helium.
Back up the shit. There.
Oh, we need more helium.
I wonder if this is what Fred does for his videos.
I think we all just made out with the same balloon.
Okay. Done. That's disgusting.
That tastes gross.